Cold open. It's a culinary clash of the titans. In one corner, we've got a professional chef armed with years of experience and a passion for flavors. And in the other, a cutting-edge AI loaded with data, algorithms, and, well, no taste buds. It's time for the AI-powered cooking challenge. Our artificial intelligence contender begins by analyzing billions of recipes, selecting ingredients that statistically have a high probability of creating a delicious dish. Meanwhile, our chef is following his instincts, handpicking fresh ingredients and using tried-and-true techniques. The AI is now instructing to add chocolate and spaghetti, a bold move. While our chef is mastering the art of al dente, the AI is playing a high-stakes game of culinary roulette. As our chef plates up a masterpiece, the AI's dish is certainly unique. Now, it's up to our brave volunteers to taste test these creations. Whose dish reigns supreme, the seasoned chef or the daring AI? You decide, comment below with your vote, and suggest what crazy concoction the AI should tackle next. It's the ultimate test of human instinct versus artificial intelligence. May the best chef or silicon chip win.